Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina. And for my regular viewers, welcome back. So it's that time again. My Pandora bracelet needs cleaning. I was getting all my jewelry together to share my sterling silver jewelry, my gold jewelry my husband has, and some other items. And I looked at this and I said, this time to clean this thing. So I will do this on camera one time so you can see how it's looking. You can see how it's looking brownish and not pretty at all. So I do my usual. Okay, I have some baking soda, a generous amount, the baking soda, and I'm going to add some water. I'm going to add a bit of water. I don't really want the mixture to be too runny. I want it to be like a dry mixture. I still put a little too much water, so let me just put some more baking soda on that. And just rub that onto the bracelet. And I'll let this set for like a good half an hour or something like that. Just keep on rubbing the baking soda onto the bracelet. You must let me know if you tried this tip and leave it in the comment section below. I'm also on Facebook. Quite a few people have messaged me and told me that this tip really worked for them. It's a way to clean your own jewelry at home. I know some people they may not be living very close to the Pandora store, and they may want a quick fix, and I know this is very safe. I've done it many times, and like I always say, baking soda has so many good health benefits to it. It's good to consume. Excuse me a second. So yes, I was saying the baking soda is good to consume. It's good to put on your face, like if you have like acne and stuff. It's good like to brush your teeth with. I've done videos on that already, so I believe and I know that baking soda is good. It's gently enough and effective to clean your Pandora jewelry, so I will leave this. I put some more baking soda, as you could see. The more the merrier. Just scrub it on like that. I'm very skeptical to try anything else. I did try toothpaste many years ago, but toothpaste, I don't know. I'm very skeptical to try anything as it has too much chemicals in it, because I think anything that has too much chemicals will damage the jewelry. That's why I stick to the baking soda. Of course, you can take it to your Pandora store whenever you get a chance, and it's free of charge, But let's say you don't have time and you want to have your jewelry looking nice and shiny before you go anywhere. You can do this on your own. Let it set in a baking soda mixture for like about 10-15 minutes. Wash it off. Then you can put on your jewelry and go your way. See, it's looking really nice already. I'm seeing a difference. I'll still leave it, let it soak in the mixture. And I'll wash it off maybe after about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. This is like a good 20 to 25 minutes. And the paste is like kind of dry. So I'm going to just pass it on the bracelet one more time before washing it off. Look at that, you can see the difference already, see? Alright, I'll be back with this washed off and nicely cleaned. Okay, I am back. Look at that, look how nice and bright and shiny this looks. I am so happy. I am so happy. I'm so pleased with the result. Let me just put it on my hand so you can see with my complexion and the silver so you can see how it looks. One minute. Okay folks, I am back. I just put a bangle on my hand. Look how nice this is looking. Really nice. Like I said, I'm really pleased with the result. I think I'll be wearing this bracelet for the entire day just because I can. So this is one of my other bracelets, Pandora bracelets. I bought this to match one of my Pandora earrings, the one that I showed you when I was cleaning the earrings. This is to match one of the earrings that I have, and this too also needs cleaning, so I'll do that now quickly. Same format as I did the other one. Just gonna put some baking soda on it. I'm just gonna sprinkle some water. Like I said, I don't want too much water. I don't want a runny mixture. And just basically scrub the baking soda onto the bracelet. Just doing it like this. I don't even need to allow it to soak in the baking soda mixture. Just rubbing the baking soda onto the bracelet like this, I could see a difference already. But I just like to leave it to rest in the baking soda for a few minutes. Yeah, and have it looking nice and shiny and sparkly. So I'll leave it like this for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so here's my bracelet after soaking in the baking soda mixture for a few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So now I'm going to wash it off so you can see how it looks after going through this process. I'll be back. Okay folks, here's my bracelet after I washed off the baking soda. There you go. Nice and shiny and pretty. This is a beautiful bracelet. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. And if you try this tip, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.